What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. As you guys can tell, we are still here underneath the carport with Blue2Valve here. If you guys watched the last video based on this car, you obviously know we went ahead and installed the Race Star, I keep wanting to say Dark Star, skateboarding. We installed the Race Star drag pack, and you can probably tell from behind me, it looks pretty good until you actually start looking at it. So up front here, we got the 28 by 617, and this tire, as I mentioned in the last video, is actually gonna fit better when it comes to my 5.0 drag pack. And I have my 5.0 drag pack over here, and these have the 26 by 617 tires, which are gonna be much smaller sidewall wise. So these tires need to go on this car, and those tires on the Race Stars need to go on the SVEs because the SVEs are my 5.0 up front there. I'm not too sure if you can really spot the difference on camera. Just know the front tire is way too big. But just go ahead and take a quick look. There's the front. Here's the rear fitment. So on today's agenda, guys, I'm gonna head back to Discount Tire, but first I must get the car, the front end at least, back on jack stands. I'm gonna take these wheels off, load those wheels and those SVE wheels into Lucifer. We're gonna drive them up to Discount, have them do a little switcheroo for us so we can reinstall them and get to adjusting. But without further ado, everyone, let's get this thing jacked up and take these things off. Let's actually go ahead and do a slight comparison and the tire size real quick, just so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. You can definitely see, you know, that's about how much rubber, and it's a lot more. So it's gonna look so much better fitment wise as soon as we get these swapped over. Still can't believe I made this silly mistake. I wish I would have been paying more attention, but it is what it is, it happens. So now for the fun part, we gotta get these things inside Lucifer. It's gotta be interesting. So we got them crammed in here. Don't know how, but it worked. Now let's head back to Discount Tire before they close and get these things swapped out. It never gets old. What a great way to start the day out. A simple mess up is definitely costing me some time. At least it's not costing me any more money though, so that's a good thing. So loud. All right, guys, round two, we're back again. So my guess is, guys, I'm gonna have to drop these off. They are extremely slammed, but I'm gonna see what they got going on. What in the hell do you guys going out back here, dude? What's going on?
Burning the woods, dog.
You got a new place, huh?
Yeah, man, this is it.
Oh, I gotta check this out first though, because this is baller. Nice little garage, all right.
Like my Lambo.
Hey, is this the one you got the DUI on?
Yeah, I was so drunk I popped my tire. Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, so we are back, and I know it's about 2 days later, and there's a reason for that. We'll go ahead and explain that in just a moment. But we have great news and even better news. So let me know in the comment section down below which one you want first. I'll patiently wait. The better news? All right, well, the better news is, guys, is today's video is gonna be sponsored by Ridge Wallets, and probably haven't heard that in a while. I just wanna go ahead and take a quick second and share Ridge Wallets with you guys, and as you can see, I am rocking this beautiful forged carbon Ridge wallet. As you guys can see, it is gonna be held together by these really durable elastic bands, which is gonna allow you to fit 10 to 12 different cards, and on the back here, I am rocking the cash clip, and you can obviously tell I got some money today, which is just kind of crazy because I never have money. But yeah, guys, I know a ton of you that watch my videos have actually made the change and you have been thanking me ever since. So if you're watching this right now and you're on the fence, please do it. And if you do, just know you're helping out the channel. And with that, I greatly appreciate you. So head to the link in the description, guys. Use that link and use my promo code DVP Squad. It'll save you 10% and you can use that code as many times as you'd like. I definitely recommend checking out their products, guys. They have more than just wallets and the quality is just amazing. And I definitely stand by this and will never switch back again. Thank you, Rich, for sponsoring this video, and let's move on to the good news. And good news is, guys, when we last picked up this video, you guys know that I went back to Discount Tire to get the tires switched from wheel to wheel. And when I got there, I did mention they were absolutely swamped. And wow, guys, they are completely slammed. 20 cars plus down right now. They're slam. So we'll probably have to come get them at nighttime, to be honest with you. Much love to you guys. Anyway, I picked them up yesterday, and I got a feeling these are gonna look much, much better, guys. So take a look, let me know what you think, and we're gonna get them bolted onto the car, and hopefully take it for its first drive today with the drag pack. And I'm not gonna be able to do much because the car still hasn't been converted to a blow-through setup with an intercooler, which means it's still not perfectly retuned. But it would still be really cool to take this car around the block, get some glamour shots, and just see how the car sits on its new coilovers and drag pack. And speaking about the coilovers, I do have to go and adjust them today, but I think we're gonna leave them max because as you guys saw in the previous video of this car, the fitment was pretty solid. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at these real fast. Bada bing, bada boom, people. Here we are. We got the race stars back, and as you can see with the 26x6s by 17s. With now having the correct tire size, I'm kind of anxious because I now have the correct tire size on Lucifer's drag pack on the SVEs, the 28x6x17s. So maybe we'll throw those back on and give it another run. Without further ado, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and mount these back up. We're gonna drop the car, get a little walk around, see exactly what we need to do. I think the fitment might be pretty decent as it sits, but I still have to tighten up the collars on the coilovers. So first things first, let's get them bolted up. Just by looking at this, without it even lowered, I think it's gonna look much better and not as goofy as that big old 28-inch tire. So fingers crossed. So much better, guys. I know you haven't seen it yet. So much better. I am too stoked right now. This is so much better. This is exactly how it should look. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Dang, it looks so much better, and it doesn't look so awkward up front now. And as far as the clearance, I think we're good, fam. I think I'm just gonna have to tighten up the collars with the coils completely maxed because plenty of room, absolutely no way that fender is gonna hit this front skinny. It's really solid. It looks good. Coming to the rear, and I read a lot of your guys' comments on the last video saying I don't want it super low because when it squats, we gotta understand. Now that I look at it, it ties together so well. And it looks exactly how it should look. So let me go to this side real quick. Looks like this fitment's just about the same, which is good. Oh yeah, fam, we are in business. Super freaking satisfied with this right now. Come on, guys, this is the first time you're seeing Blue2Valve ever on a drag pack setup. So drop a like on this video, guys. Blue is back, baby. This thing is gonna be a freaking beast for the next couple months. We got a lot of work to do, but it's coming. But all right, now that we got the drag pack on and it looks damn good, I gotta take it all off again because I have to tighten up the collars on the coilovers, which isn't a big deal because they're only held on by 2 lugs. I just gotta jack up each corner. I'm gonna do them one at a time. I think these SVE coilovers we're gonna ride out maxed because that's maxed right there, and it's like perfect fitment. So skip some steps. If you guys order this kit, just max it out. Trust me, just max it out. A little nervous about the camber. It's bad, but it's not terrible. Oh, that one's really bad. Okay, fuck it, we're gonna run it anyway. So now that we got the wheel off, guys, I actually went ahead and reset this bottom ring completely maxed down. I'm gonna go ahead and take this screwdriver, and I'm gonna mark this one right here. So we're gonna put a couple marks in there just so we know when we turn how many turns we're gonna do, because we obviously want to do the other side the exact same amount of turns. So you can see we have our mark right there, and we're gonna go ahead and spin. It's once, twice, and 3. So now we're gonna bring down the top one until it touches, and it's gonna get tight, but that's exactly what we want. Okay, starting to get tight now. There it is. Now we're gonna take this spanner wrench. All right, and that's locked. And we're gonna go and do the other side the exact same way. I have to admit, that looks pretty damn good. So it looks like we're gonna get away with 3 spins on the collar, and I really do want to say that's pretty dead even on each side. We still have to adjust the rears, of course, but Oh yeah, that's literally perfect. All right, to the rears. Oh, it's gonna be a little pain to do to get this spanner in here. Well, that's one rear. All right, everyone, so as far as the adjustments go, they are actually completed. As you can see, we got all the lug nuts in each wheel as well, and I'm about to lower the car for the first time. And let me get this out. Take a little look at it. Wow, where's back the static on this car? That is so bizarre. Just connected the battery. This is gonna be a slight miracle if this thing starts. I don't know if it's gonna be dead. I have no idea. Here goes nothing, fam. Let's get it. Let's go, dude. Oh yeah, look at this sight, man. Boosted Blue2Valve on a drag pack, back to static. Truly have no idea what this means to me right now. No freaking idea. We'll say it feels good to be back though. Feels good to be back. Oh shit, we're moving. Oh man. And we're picking up a ton of rocks with those sticky Mickeys in the back. Oh shit, we're off, boys. All in all though, guys, it's pretty damn sound. I don't hear clunking. It's rather smooth, believe it or not. But it's just that little rubbing sound. It sounds like maybe the brake, the rotor disc shield is like clipping it. I don't know. Oh shit, this is so unreal, dude. I love this freaking car so much. Let's go ahead and take a better look at this thing. Well, there you have it, guys. Blue2Valve is officially completed on some SVE coilovers and drag packs. Still have tons of stuff to install, like that whole UPR suspension, but hey, this is a start. I have to admit, I am very pleased with that. So let me know if you guys are. Drop a fat thumbs up on this video for Blue2Valve. And guys, we have many, many more episodes coming. This is just the beginning. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want your honest thoughts. Take 2 seconds. After you subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. But with that, guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you so much for checking in. And I'm just so freaking stoked right now, man. I can't wait to get this car to 100%. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Oscar2Valve. Great looking car you have there, man. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. If any of you guys watching right now want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Derek Barron Productions and use the hashtag DBP Squad in all your posts. Every time I film a video just like this, I go to the hashtag, I see who used it, and I pick a random winner and boom, shout out. Thank you guys again, and we will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later.